This is a video training showing you how to set up if you allow the maintenance personnel to update your work request or update a repair. First of all, you want to come in here and you want to just give them permission if you have their login, but you come over here to configuration, and under configuration you go under permissions, and you would find that maintenance personnel and you would edit permissions, and all you pretty much want to give them is the work request, right? So you just give them work requests where they're able to just update the work requests, and really not the whole work request, just part of it. So whenever they come in, whenever they log in, they'll see the work request here. So they'll click on it and they'll come here and they would just add a repair. They'll find the tag number that you've given them, that you've repaired, that they repaired. They'll come in here, add repair. Okay. You just click on any one of them, several of them, and then they'll go ahead and add the repair. So they will put in the date, repaired by. Right. Okay. Maintenance. Okay. And then repair, what they did to repair it. So they tighten the packing, and all they have to do is hit add. Right, there it is right there, and now they're done. So they'll log out of SkyBridge, and then of course the technician will go ahead and get the ball rolling on the retest. Okay, hopefully this helps.